Hi, I'm Tricia at Club Scrap, inviting you to attend a fun workshop with me again on November 30th. And in this time together, we're going to be making a stunning gift you'll be proud to give anyone during the coming holiday season. It's called the photo roll. Due to the complexity of this project, there will be a little bit of homework for you to complete before we gather on the 30th to make our final project. Let's take a look at that kit. Of course, you'll be receiving 4 pages of detailed assembly instructions that will complement the video. And then you're going to be also receiving the Vines page kit in its entirety. Although we won't be using absolutely every single sheet of paper and embellishment from the box, you'll still get that whole kit. You'll need some hook and loop dot closures. You'll get 2 of these flip and folio die cuts and a sheet of our black folding board. And here's the photo roll, but it starts out inside a box. I had enough paper to make the gift box, and I thought it was perfect for the season. So remove the lid. You have plenty of room to get your hand inside that box to remove the photo roll. And then it has a cute little hook and loop closure. And you'll open, 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 and unroll that whole thing. Then we have a different activity for each section of our photo roll. So you have this little trifold here, again, room for pictures, notes, journaling. Here you can remove that lid and open up and bottom, then left and right, then top and bottom, then the sides and the center. So we really have a lot of real estate for smaller square photos, but this really can take care of a huge event, maybe a wedding day or something like that, or a shower, or just a really special occasion. Thanksgiving would be lovely in this collection. And we have a second folio over here after the other trifold. And as is true to our style, this will be very organized. So even though there are a lot of working parts and pieces in this project, I'll break this down for you step by step. So no matter how much experience you'll have, you'll be able to follow along with me at your own pace. Watch that workshop as many times as you like, and we will make something beautiful together. So come and join me on November 30th for this photo roll project. I can't wait to see you there.